And to build on that, Mary, what two pieces of advice, have you heard throughout your career, and what would you share with the listeners, whether they're aspiring leaders or currently sitting in a leadership seat? What two pieces of advice would you share?
I would share that in the leadership position, how do we foster people and growth, and how do we empower them to to really bring out the best in them and help them grow in their career. And what I like to think about is focus on the person's strengths. If leaders would focus on the 80% of people's strengths, you're leveraging them in the right place, and then focus on what do they want to grow in their 10% or 20% for career development. And oftentimes when we see people underperform, it's really that they're not in the right area, and we can help shape that. Sometimes they're focusing on areas that it's reverse, the 20% versus the 80% growth. So we need to put them actually where their strengths are, and that if we focus on that and the culture, it really does embody the culture and the people. I think if companies for 2024, the vision is, having a successful adventure is, if you get the culture and the people right, it will drive everything else. It will drive the sustainability, the competitive advantage, and productivity of the people. And sometimes what we see in big, larger pharmas is that they put revenue at the top, but they've got it all. I think if you reverse that and put the people and culture first, that will come.